Hi guys, I just wanted to do a bit of a flip through today. I made this little book earlier in the week and I wanted to show it off, and I thought a video would be a fun way to do it. So it's hardcover, and to create it I've just used some book board covered in quilting cotton. And so it's about 4.5 inches by about 3.5 inches. And then on the inside I've actually used Project Life cards to create the pages. Using the folded cards because I don't use them in my Project Life spreads. But as you can see, being a mass manufacturer, the accuracy isn't perfect on those, which is a little bit frustrating on the edges there. They don't quite line up, but it did its job. So all I did was I folded them all in half and then used a tape runner to join them together. So this little book is actually a gift for my friend Carose. She wasn't able to make it to camp this year, so I've made this so that she felt like she was included in camp. And so this was our little joke: where in the world is Carose San Diego? Hopefully not all of you are too young to get that reference. And so then on the inside, after I'd tape runed all my pages together, so I've created collages of our photos from the weekend in my Project Life app, so that there was 2 photos per 4x6, which I've then printed on my selfie printer at home. I then trimmed down the middle, tape runned them to the pages, and then just clipped the corners. I tried that in a few different ways. I tried the Project Life official 4x6 die through my Big Shot. It worked, but it was a little bit fiddly. I couldn't find my corner rounder, the punch that I have. It's just a Creative Memories one. So I couldn't find that. So in the end, I was actually just trimming them by hand just to tidy them up. The selfie did a great job in that. I was really happy. So, you know, throughout the weekend we had a photo of her floating around so that she would be included in all our activities and stuff. And so she would pop up in various things. And this was just a little book to wrap up those photos to include them. I was super happy with how it turned out. So yeah, my basic process was I would grab the card, I'd lay it open like that so that so it was folded like that, so open. Because these other sides, this is where I would tape runner to add them together. So I'd open it flat like that, trim my photo. I've got a spare photo here. So then I would tape runner it, line it up, stick it on, turn it over and just trim those corners. And then once both sides were done, I would just close it back up. I would tape runner the top and the bottom of this page, and then the previous page that I'd done, I would just tape runner down the other 2 directions and then across the middle and stick them together. And I built the text block that way before creating the hardcover binding, just using the book board and cloth. I'm really happy with how it turned out. It was super exciting. I definitely want to do more hardcover type of books like this. So keep an eye out on my Instagram and on my blog for more books of that. And I will be sharing a full build your own book blog post hopefully soon. I hope you guys have enjoyed my little walkthrough. It was a fun project. I really enjoyed this memory keeping project. So hopefully you guys enjoyed the flick through. See you later. Bye.